Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can join Facebook groups. So open your Facebook profile and then tap on the search icon and just tap on the group that you have in mind. For example, Work from Home USA, and search. Now let's say you want to join this group. The first one right here is permanent work from home job. Just tap on join and enter the page by clicking on it. And as you can see, now you're joined and you can post here. You can comment on other people's posts as well, like them, and just do whatever you want on the page. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.